स्टार्ट। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स का मीनिंग क्या है, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, वो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ द रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you all are aware about the matrix. Matrix is what? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of the elements in the form of rows and columns. Means अगर आपने elements को arrange किया है rows और columns के form में, then that arrangement is called as the matrix. हम classroom में furniture का arrangement देखते हैं, book shelf में books का arrangement देखते हैं. So these all are considered as the arrangement, and this can be considered as the example of matrix. So first of all, I am writing a matrix here, and I am assuming a matrix A is given by the notation A is there, and I am denoting the elements of matrices as A11, A12, A1n, then A21. You all are aware about this terminology, that what is this A2n is indicating. A2n, similarly in last I am having AM1, AM2 and AMN. So you all are aware of this thing. This is the arrangement of elements. Rows in the form of rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal arrangement and columns are the vertical arrangements of the elements. And what is this A22 is indicating? A22 says that this is the element of second row, second column. Second row, second column पर जो element होगा, उस element को A22 से represent किया है. And AMN is saying that this is the element of mth row and nth column. So in this way I can say the order of this matrix is equal to m cross n. The order of this matrix is m cross n. Now you may be asked to find the rank of this matrix. So in order to get the rank of this matrix, what we will do? In order to get the matrix, rank of this matrix, we require a submatrix. Submatrix which will be non-singular. And remember, the submatrix will be of highest order. So first of all, what is submatrix? हम लोगों ने सेट थ्योरी पढ़ी है, सेट एंड सबसेट. यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट द सेट एंड व्हाट इज सबसेट. सो सबसेट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द होल गिवन सेट. Similar in the same way, when we talk about the submatrix of this matrix, so submatrix can be obtained by eliminating certain rows and columns. इसी मैट्रिक्स में से अगर आपने किसी रो या कॉलम को हाइड कर दिया, एलिमिनेट कर दिया, and then we are rewriting the matrix by eliminating certain rows and columns, then the new matrix will be called as the submatrix. अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है, अगर हम submatrix by eliminating rows and columns की बात करें, then what is the minor? What is the difference between the submatrix and the minor? So please note down. Submatrix of this m cross n order matrix can be obtained by eliminating certain rows or columns. Not necessarily आपको rows ही eliminate करना है, columns ही eliminate करना है. You can eliminate either rows or columns or both. Okay. But in minor is also submatrix, but the minor is a square submatrix. So minor is square submatrix. While I am talking about the submatrix, so submatrix may be rectangular, may be square. ठीक है, submatrix square भी हो सकता है, rectangular भी हो सकता है, but minor definitely square ही होगा, because minor is having a determinant value. उसकी determinant value आप निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, so now we are having a matrix A. In order to find the rank of this matrix, हम point पर आते हैं. So rank of matrix find करना है. So what is the rank of this matrix? So here symbolically I am writing the rank of A. So this rank of A I am just explaining in simple word. So this rank of A is equal to order of non-singular minor, or I can say the submatrix, non-singular submatrix. This non-singular submatrix can be obtained by the given matrix A. So this rank of A is equal to the order of non-singular submatrix, and here order must be highest. This order must be highest. Okay, so here from this given matrix we will try to obtain a submatrix of highest order such that will be non-singular. Now what is the meaning of non-singular? Non-singular. So this meaning of this non-singular, it is that the determinant of that must not be 0. Non-singular determinant की value 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. So if you are successful, means you have successfully find out the non-singular matrix, non-singular submatrix from the given matrix of highest order, then the rank of that matrix will be equal to the order of that matrix. ये हमने एक सिंपल सा एक कंसेप्ट बताया. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. आप इसी को अगर याद रखें देन इसकी हेल्प से भी हम रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So now I am writing the definition of rank of matrix. So what is the definition of rank of matrix? So here the rank of matrix can be defined as rank of matrix. So the rank of matrix can be defined as, I am assuming let A is a matrix of order n cross n. A is a matrix of order m cross n. I am assuming the order of this matrix is m cross n. And then the rank of this matrix will be R. I am saying the rank of A is equal to R. The rank of matrix A will be R if first thing. What is the first thing? If there exists at least one non-zero or non-singular minor ऑफ ऑर्डर आर. रैंक आर होने के लिए जरूरी है कि आर ऑर्डर का एक नॉन सिंगुलर सब मैट्रिक्स माइनर आपके पास अवेलेबल हो. नाउ द सेकंड कंडीशन. व्हाट इज सेकंड कंडीशन हियर? सो सेकंड कंडीशन इज हियर दैट द इफ वी आर सेइंग द रैंक इज आर, देन आर ऑर्डर से बड़े जितने भी आर ऑर्डर से हायर ऑर्डर के जितने भी सब मैट्रिसेस होंगे, माइनर्स होंगे, वो कैसे होंगे? दैट विल बी सिंगुलर. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर other, or I am saying the minors of order greater than R are singular. If these two conditions are fulfilled by the given minor, then we can say the rank of the matrix will be R. So this is the theoretical definition. So the rank A is a matrix of order n cross n. Then the rank of the matrix will be R. R कब होगी? When we will have a minor of order R which is non-singular, जिसके determinant की वैल्यू 0 नहीं आ रही हो. Then second, the minors of the order greater than R. R order से greater order के जितने भी minors होंगे वो सब कैसे होंगे? They will be singular. Is it okay?